Welcome back. Today's gospel message, once again, deals with one of the aspects of Jesus' ministry of proclamation of the reign of God. In today's gospel, Jesus performs a number of healings, and then it says that early, very early the next morning, before dawn, he goes off to be alone and to pray. And finally, his disciples find him out in the wilderness by himself. And he says this. He says, "Let us go on to the nearby villages, that I may preach there also." This gospel reading illustrates another one of the essential aspects of Jesus' reign of God ministry. The fact that Jesus wandered. He never stayed in one place. He could have stayed in any of the towns in which he preached, and he would have been heralded as a wonder worker, as a healer. But he did not do that. He, on other occasions, said, "The foxes have holes, the birds of the air have nests, but the Son of Man has no place to lay his head." Jesus believed in wandering. And why? Because for him, wandering was a sign of radical trust in God. He had no place to stay, no place where he could be acknowledged as someone great. He kept moving on because he knew that that's what God was asking him to do. How does this apply to us? Well, as Christians, as believers in Jesus, we are called upon to place our trust in God first and foremost. Our number one duty, our number one calling is to follow God and to do God's will. At times, this may take us to places where we may not want to go. It may call us to do things that we're not comfortable doing. And yet, because we want to bring about the reign of God, we place our trust in God and we do the things that we need to do, whether they're difficult or easy. Thank you for watching today.